Hello everyone, I am Kavita here. We will learn multiplication of numbers using base method. The base is usually a number such as 10, 100 or 1000. We select a particular base depending upon the number given in the question. For example, we are asked to multiply 13 times 14. Here our base would be 10. And if you are asked to multiply 142 times 103, here our base would be 100. Multiplication using base method, we get our answer in two parts, left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side we write as RHS, and for left hand side we write as LHS. And number of zeros in the base decide the right hand side. For example, if our base is 10, then only one digit on the RHS. And if the base is 100, then only two digits on the RHS. And in case if our RHS has more digits, then extra digits are taken over to the LHS. And another important thing that RHS cannot be negative. If our RHS is negative, we make it positive by borrowing from left hand side LHS. And one last very important thing you have to keep in mind that negative times negative equals positive. Positive times positive equals positive. Negative times positive equals negative. You will understand better after we take few examples. Let us take a case where both the multiplying numbers are higher than the base. For example, 12 times 14. So here first of all you identify the base. So here 12 and 14 are close to the base 10. So our base would be 10. And here we are doing both the multiplying numbers are higher than the base. So 12 is more than the base 10 and 14 is also more than the base 10. So first of all we write down 12 and 14 like this. Alright, that is our first step, and we have identified our base as a 10. After we identify our base as 10, we do number minus base equal difference. So our number is 12, our base is 10, 12 minus 10 equals 2. Write the difference 2 in front of the number 12 like this. And 14 minus 10 equals 4. Write the difference 4 here in front of the number 14. Alright, that is your first step. You identify your base, then you do number minus base equal difference. Write the difference in front of the numbers. Next, what you do, you get your answer in two parts, RHS and LHS. In RHS, you multiply the difference vertically. 2 times 4 equals 8. And in LHS, you do cross addition. 12 plus 4 is 16 and 14 plus 2 is again 16. Alright, so in LHS, you can write either one of them. 12 plus 4 is 16. You combine your LHS and RHS to get your answer 168. I'm going to repeat one more times. 12 times 14. The first step is you do number minus base equals difference. Write the difference in front of the number. So 12 minus 10 is positive 2. Write plus 2 here in front of 12. 14 minus 10 is 4. Write 4 in front of 14. Next, you get your answer in two parts, RHS and LHS. So what you do in LHS, you multiply the difference vertically. So here this is the difference, right? You wrote the difference here. So here you vertically you multiply the difference. So 2 times 4 is 8. Alright. And in LHS, you do cross addition. So 12 plus 4 or 14 plus 2 is the same, is 16. So write 16 in your LHS. Alright, and then the last thing you have to keep in mind that you have to see that the number of digits in RHS is equal to number of zeros in the base. So here our base is 10. So we have 1 0 and we have 1 digit here in RHS. So write your answer 168. Another example, 18 times 19. The first step, you identify the base. So 18 and 19 are close to the base 10. So we will consider our base 10 and both these numbers are higher than the base 10. So first step you do number minus base equals difference. So your number is 18 and your base is 10. 18 minus 10 is 8 and 19 minus 10 is 9. So write the difference. Write the difference in front of the number. Second step, what you do, you multiply the difference vertically. So we get our answer in RHS and LHS. So in RHS, what you do, you multiply the difference vertically. So 8 times 9 is 72. And in LHS, you do cross addition. 18 plus 9 is 27, or if you do 19 plus 8, then also is 27. So whatever easy you can see is adding, you add and you write here 27. Alright. Next you see the number of digits in RHS is equal to the number of zeros in the base. So here our base is 10. Alright. So we need to have 1 digit in RHS. So here our RHS is 2 digits. So in order to have 1 digit, we transfer the 10th digit to the LHS. So 7 is being transferred to LHS. So 2 you drop in the answer box, and then 27 which you get in LHS, you add 7. 27 plus 7 is 34. So combine your LHS and RHS and your answer is 342. 142 times 103. The first step, by looking at the numbers, you identify your base. So our base would be 100. The first step, you do number one step, number minus base equals difference. So number is 142 and your base is 100 and the difference is 42. Write 42 in front of the number 142 and write the difference 3 in front of the number 103. That is your step 1. So write the numbers and you do number minus base, difference, write difference in front of the numbers. Then you get your answer in 2 parts, right hand side and left hand side. So what you do on right hand side, you multiply the difference vertically. So this is a difference, right? So you multiply the numbers vertically. So 42 times 3. 42 times 3 is 126. And in LHS, what you do? You do cross addition. If you do 142 plus 3, you get 145. And the same if you do 103 plus 42, you get 145. So write 145 towards the LHS side. Alright. And then the third last very important thing, you have to see that the number of digits in RHS is equal to the number of zeros in the base. So here our base is 100. So we need to have only 2 digits in our RHS. But here there are 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So we are going to transfer the extra digit to the LHS. So 1 is being transferred to LHS. So 145 plus 1 is 146 and your RHS is 26. So combine your RHS and LHS to get the final answer 14626. 1007 times 1010. So first thing you identify the base. So our base would be 1000. And here we are taking the examples where both the multiplying numbers are higher than the base. Alright. The first step you do, number minus base equals difference. So 1007 minus base 1000 is 7. And 1010 minus base, that is 1000, is 10. So write the difference in front of the number. Alright. So the difference here is 7. So write 7 in front of 1007 and 10 in front of 1010. That is your first step. Second step, you get your answer in two parts, RHS and LHS. So what you do on RHS is you multiply the difference vertically. So this is the difference we wrote here, right? So 7 times 10 is 70. So in RHS, you write 70 here. In LHS, what you do? You do cross addition. 1007 plus 10 is 1017, or you do 1010 plus 7 is also 1017, right? The last step is you have to see the number of digit in RHS is equal to number of zeros in the base. So our base is 1000. So there are 3 zeros. So we need to have 3 digits on our RHS side. So here we have 70. So we have only 2 digits. So in order to make 3 digits, we add 0 in front of 70. So now we have 3 digits 0, 7, 0. So combine your LHS and RHS to get the final answer 1017070. Please practice those 10 problems and check your answers in your next slide. And here are our answers. Thank you.